Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a pop-up in Woocommerce with Popupsmart plugin. So I'm on my Popupsmart account right now. If you don't have one, you can create one for free, and on the left hand panel you will see your profile. Click on it and navigate to websites. Here we will add our website first, so I'm clicking on new website and I will paste my URL. Let's save it. Okay, it looks unverified right now, so we need to verify our website. For this, I'll click on Unverified and continue with Go to WordPress app. From here, scroll down and click Download. Okay, let's go to our Woocommerce dashboard now. On the left-hand panel, you will see Plugins and continue with Add New. And then we will click on Upload Plugin and then choose the zip file. Here is our zip file and I'm opening it and click on Install Now. Okay, when you install the plugin successfully, click on Activate Plugin. Okay, our plugin is successfully activated. Now I will scroll down and see Popupsmart on the left-hand panel again. When you click on it, you will see that it asks for your account ID. That's why we are going back to the Popupsmart. Let's close this one, and again on the left-hand panel, click on your profile and continue with personal data. Scroll down and you will see your account ID. Let's copy it and go back to the Woocommerce and then paste our account ID. Let's save settings. Okay, it's done. Let's go back to Popupsmart. Okay, when you come back to your Popupsmart account, just go to your website because we need to activate our pop-up code, and then go back to your builder again and let's refresh the page. Okay, here is our website verified. Now let's go to our campaigns page and click new campaign, and we can name our campaign. Let's write Woocommerce and then save it. From the Playbook section, you can see the goals. You can choose a pop-up template according to your business goal. If you want to grow your email list, for example, you can see all our templates. And we have some seasonal filters and then industry-based pop-up filters. You can see the pop-up types right here and animated pop-ups and multi-step ones. Okay, let's choose this one. And we are in the customize step. This is where you can add new pop-up steps. You can delete some of them if you want to. You can activate the teaser pop-up, which is like a small pop-up that opens up when the visitor clicks on it. You can add new elements like image, text, or a video maybe, or an animation. You can also collect information like email address with the form elements. You can easily drag and drop the elements right here if you want to change their position. Then we have the style section. We have the theme engine right here. When you click change, you can see all the ready to use themes. You can choose one that goes well with your website design maybe. And then you can arrange the size of your pop-up, the position of it on the website, and then the other arrangements like background color, the fonts, or the style of the buttons, or even the style of the close button. We also have advanced style section if you want to add custom CSS or do further changes, but the basic style is just more than enough. Then we have the segment step. When you click on change segment, you can see all the predefined segmentation options. They're all good to go, but if you want from the My Segment section, you can click create and create your segmentation from scratch. We have audience targeting, like scheduling your pop-up or choosing a browser language to display your pop-up, or traffic source targeting to display your pop-ups from to visitors from a specific traffic source only. And we have other targetings as well. And then we have the user behavior targeting, like in activity mode. Let's edit, for example, if someone is inactive on your website for 5 seconds, this will trigger the pop-up and the visitors see your pop-up campaign. We also have frequency settings to arrange the time of your pop-up. Like if you want, you can never stop displaying the pop-up, or if you want to stop displaying the pop-up when someone submits an email, you can choose to do it. You can also choose to display your pop-up on every page view, every session, or once every days or months. Once you're happy with the targeting options, continue with publish. Don't forget to save your changes. And then here you can see the targeting summary. And then if you want, you can set up autoresponder email. You can edit it right in the builder. This is an email that we are going to send when someone enters their email address. you're offering a coupon code, for example, in return for the email address of the visitors, you can just add the coupon code right in this email. Then we have the self-email notification if you want to be notified when someone fills in the form element on your pop-up. We have integrations if you want to integrate other platforms with your pop-up. Then we have the Google Analytics integration as well. Let's continue with publish. Okay, our pop-up is successfully published. Let's see it on live preview. Here's our pop-up campaign. I hope you like it. If you have further questions, please feel free to contact us, and I'll see you next time.